Today we're given him task, a joy of Anandam. So this is the unique curriculum that Uttarakhand has presented. I'm sure that we need to learn more from the Pradeep Kumar Rawat. Yes, Mr. Rawat.
Namaskar, sir. Am I audible there, sir?
Yeah, you're audible. You're audible.
Yes. Thank you very much. I'm going to introduce here as we have introduced a new curriculum that's be named as a Anandam curriculum, and the basics of this Anandam curriculum, the objective of this Anandam curriculum is to the moral values, how to inculcate the moral values among the students, the teachers, and the society. So I'm going to elaborate its the philosophy, etc. That we know one of the main objective of education is to make a harmonious society where all human beings live in peace and harmony. So education of harmony and peace should be the mandatory part of the curriculum. Taking these objectives, we have taken the Anandam curriculum. Harmony and peace are attribute of the happy person. And if in a happy environment, only a learning can be happen. If the environment is not happy, not fulfilled with the Anandam, we cannot have the learning in a good ambience. So we need a good ambience. Taking our objective education, the state of Uttarakhand has introduced this Anandam curriculum. Why there is a need of the Anandam curriculum? What is the background of this Anandam curriculum? First of all, we have to deliberate upon what is the purpose of education. If we can understand the purpose of education, then we can go in the right direction. And not only the purpose of education, but the purpose of life as well. Then what is the purpose of life? And how we can correlate between the purpose of life and purpose of education. We see that even our students, the young generation, the people are committing the suicide. It is a very dangerous sign for the education. It means we have the problem in education. How can we solve this problem of education? That's we have introduced this unique curriculum that we are naming the Anandam curriculum. In a modern scenario, we see that we focus on the work of education for work. The most focus is on the education for work, and education for the life has given the not too much focus. So we have to think about the education where we can think about the greater dimension of the life, that the purpose of education for the work, that has the narrow objective of education, but the education for life is the broader and greater purpose of the life. So taking this view and objective of education, we have introduced this Anandam curriculum in our Uttarakhand. First of all, we have to understand what is the happiness and how to achieve it. How, if we are happy, if the classroom is happy, then we can say that the learning may happen there. But if the children are not happy, how the learning can take place? If the teachers are not happy, how the learning can take place? And then it has the philosophy. We talk about in Anandam curriculum, the three triad of the happiness that we call the happiness through the senses, momentary happiness. Then again, the deeper happiness that belongs to the harmony in feelings, and then the sustainable happiness. And objective of this sustainable happiness is learning and awareness. That the sustainable happiness we can get it through the learning and awareness and the self-realization. So the objective of this Anandam curriculum is to make the person, especially to the students, happy. And when we talk about the happiness, then we talk about the harmony and harmony within. The harmony, if a person is not harmony within, how can he disseminate the harmony with other people? Not only the harmony within, but the harmony within family. The next step, extended the further we go out, then we say that the harmony within, then we say about the harmony within family, and not only the harmony within family, but harmony in society and work setup. If we don't have a harmony in society and work setup, then we cannot be happy. And not only the harmony with the society and work setup, but harmony with the nature as well. We cannot live in isolation. This is one of the main objective of this Anandam curriculum. Then we talk about the self within me, in relationship, family, friends, school and work, in society and with nature. We explore the happiness in this dimension. What is the methodology? How we incorporated it into the action. We have the 4 components. That the first component is the mindfulness, and the objective of this mindfulness to developing an observation and focus. If the student is mindful towards her surroundings, only he or she can learn, because the attention and mindfulness, we cannot think about the learning. So mindfulness is one of the most important core of this curriculum. Again, the stories, there another component is the story. Here the stories are full of reflection and sharing. Each student is just how the stories are used in a classroom. And the stories are not the hypothetical story, but the real stories of the life. Then the next component is of the activity, how to work together. And through the reflection, through the discussion and group work, these activities are being organized. One of the most important aspects of the human being is the expression. If the students are not given the proper way of the expression, their power of, if they are not given the way of expression, they cannot have a confidence in themselves. So the expressions is one of the most important component of this Anandam curriculum. What is the intended learning outcomes of this Anandam curriculum? The self-awareness and the mindfulness, more open to critical thoughts and reasoning, heightened ability to retain and recall information, ability to focus more motivated to attend school, able to manage stress and anxiety, able to handle difficult situation better, overall emotional development, collaborate and build friendship with the classmate, become more empathetic and compassionate, become more calm and at peace, and able to find the meaning and purpose in life. That the purpose, to find the purpose in life, is the very important aspect of this Anandam curriculum. If we have the purpose in life, then we can go in the right directions. So the philosophy of this Anandam curriculum is to search the meaning in life. If the student don't have the meaning in life, if the teacher don't have the meaning in life, then they cannot go in the right direction. That the happiness, objective of the happiness curriculum is what is to understand how we can live a meaningful life and purposeful life. How we are organizing this curriculum in the classroom situation. The first period is dedicated to Anandam classes. Different activities are suggested for all 6 days of a week. All principals and the teacher at administrative level are sensitized and oriented to implement Anandam curriculum. The teacher handbook of the Anandini is prepared to guide the teachers. First-hand report received from the teacher and students reflects the positive impact of the Anandam curriculum. When we interacted to the teachers, we found that they are giving the positive response. The reports of the improved relationship among the teachers, among students, between teacher and students, between school and community. Some case studies also signify that positive self-respect is developed in students. So we find that reflection of Anandam curriculum has a very positive. We find that there is a positive impact on the teachers, students, and the society. We are giving this just giving the videos, the reflection of the teachers. Just show the videos, please. This is the reflection of the teachers in the classroom, how she sees the Anandam curriculum.
इन्विटेशन मुझे मिला तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई थिंक कि नॉर्मल सा होता है कि ओके चले तो जिसका नाम है बड़ा डिफरेंस आनंदम है ना, उसके बारे में इससे पहले हमें कोई प्रायर नॉलेज नहीं थी। तो जब हमें इसका मकसद जो था इसका वो जब हमें क्लियर हुआ तो अपने आप ही मतलब एक बड़ा प्राउड सी फीलिंग हुई कि हाँ इतना एक अच्छा इनिशिएटिव जो हमारी गवर्नमेंट ले रही है तो उसके लिए वी विल बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट। तो ये इट्स अ मोमेंट ऑफ प्राउड।
This Anandam, the objective of this Anandam Kuru,
Your video is not showing, sir. I think.
this is the reflection of the student.
हाँ. Only audio is coming, so do not talk inside. Sir. So I think so we got it, and I'm sure that your concept already shared, presented everything, not need to the video because we got the point and we got the understanding of the joy of Anandam curriculum. I'm sure that the state government has to apply it into primary classes at least, so student can go happily at home, school, and they can come back with happily, and to create a happy family and a happy student through happy learning. So I'm sure that you need to document it more appropriate way, and you need not only in Uttarakhand but outside Uttarakhand, this content can be used as a happy school content. Rawatji,
Thank you.
thank you, sir. Thank you so
Thanks.
much. Thank you so much. Keep it up. Doing
Thank you very much.
good. Yes.